Welcome back to this maths class. Today we want to see how to express this rational function in partial fraction. The first thing you must ensure is that the degree of this algebraic expression must be lesser than the degree of this algebraic expression. The degree of this algebraic expression is 1 here, and here it is 2. So this one is lesser than this. So that condition has been fulfilled here, and you have nothing to do about that. Now, the second thing you have to do is that look at the denominator. This denominator, you factorize it because this is factorizable. So what you will do is just multiply this. This is 1 multiplied by 8. So that's 8 s squared. Now, you now break this into 2 in such a way that if you add the 2 terms or you subtract the 2 terms, it will give you minus 6x. Now, 8s squared is the same thing as 2s multiplied by 4x. So, if you put minus 2x here, minus 4x here, you will have minus 6x. So, replace this by minus 2x minus 4x. So, you have then plus 8. We are factorizing. So take this and this. What is common here and here? You have your x into x minus 2. Then put your minus 4 into x minus 2. It must be minus here because minus and minus is plus here. Then this is the minus here. So you have x minus 4, x minus 2. So this is what we have as the factors of this algebraic expression. So we now take this and replace it here. So you have, so instead of writing this, we write this. This is what we now have. So the next thing is you now assume that this can be written as partial fraction of each simple factor. So you now say this is equal to, take it to be a all over this or this, anyone you want. Let's put this. Then plus b all over this one. Okay? Now, we now go further. This one is rational fraction. And these ones are the partial fraction. But we must find out what is A and what is B. Now, from here, this is equals. Now, don't forget that we have fraction here, fraction here. Just in our elementary class, if you have half plus 1 over 3, what you will do is you find the LCM. And in this case, the LCM is 6, as if it is 2 times 3, which is 6. Now say 6 divided by 2, that is 3, times 1, 3, plus 6 divided by 3, 2, 2 times 1, 2. So this is what we do. So the same thing we will do here. So we find the LCM, which is this one multiplied by this. Just like we have 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. So the same way we have here, this multiplied by this as our LCM. That's the LCM. The LCM divided by x minus 2. So the x minus 2 will cancel. You will now have x minus 4 left. So you have, then you put your a multiplied by a. Then you have plus the LCM divided by x minus 4. This and this will cancel. And then you have this one left. Then multiply by b. Okay? So this expression is what we have written this way. What we now do is to observe this and this, this and this. This expression here is the same thing as the expression here. This expression at the numerator here is the same thing as this expression here. So we can say that our 8x minus 28 is equal to all this one here. We will now try to find what is our A, what is our B, and anything we get, we slot it in here. Now observe this one for us to get what is our B. Observe this one. This is x minus 4. So you will set the x in such a way that this expression will be equal to 0. If you put x equal to minus 4, this one will become minus 8. So if you put x equal to 4, this one will become 0. So put x equal to 4. So let's put x equal to 4. 8 times 4, that's 32, minus 28 is equal to, this is 4 minus 4, that is 0, A, then plus, this one is 4, 4 minus 2, that is 2, and that is 2B. Now from 32, take away 28, and that is 4, is equal to, this is 0 plus 2B. So our B, divide both sides by 2, our B is equal to 2. So you have gotten your B to be 2. So let's keep that one and put it here. B equal to 2. So we now do the same thing to get what our A will be. Our 8x minus 28 is equal to this one. Now, we want to get our A. We now go to this and set our x in such a way that this will give us 0. So let's put x to be 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So set your x to be 2. So let's now put 2 in this expression. 8 times 2, 16. 16 minus 28. 2 minus 4 minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 is 0B. 16 minus 28, that is 2, that's minus 12, is equal to this minus 2A. Minus 2A. Then what is your A? Your A is equal to 6. So we put that one here. The next thing we do is to now put the value of A here, the value of B here. So this expression can be written as your A is 6 all over x minus 2. Then plus your B is 2 all over x minus 4. So this expression can be broken down into these partial fractions. When next we meet, we are going to look at some other examples that are different from this one. Until